Good day, everyone. Les here from BG Trading. Hope you are well. Today is April 5, 2023, and I'll be talking about some gold stocks that a lot of people have been asking us whether they should be buying still or they ever missed the boat. So essentially what I'm going to do, I'm just going to share my thoughts based on BGS 20 strategies and understand together with you whether those stocks are at the FOMO area or are trading at technically discounted price or technically fair price. Unfortunately, most of the stocks, and I can tell you that straight away, are already trading at the FOMO area. And I normally in this channel bring stocks that will add value to our viewers, stocks that essentially will be trading at technically discounted price or at the buying area. And to do so, I'm actually covering those three gold stocks, but also going to be sharing one of the stocks that another member on our Facebook community has asked us to analyze. And that last stock is actually trading at the buying area. And now, provided that RBA has actually put the interest rates on hold yesterday, we might see a build-up of a favorable macroeconomic situation for that last particular stock that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. So let's have a look. I just want to remind you, this isn't a financial advice, okay? It's just us from BG Trading sharing with you how we analyze the stocks, how we set up targets, stop losses, how we avoid FOMO, essentially how we use BGS 20 strategy to trade stocks for 20 to 40% within 1 to 3 months lead time. So if you like, please subscribe to the channel and also share this video with someone that you believe would be interested. Lastly, I wanted to invite you to become a member of our free Facebook community. We call that Buy, Grow, and Sell Strategy for Share Traders. And this community, we share a lot of great quality content, also some great quality conversation with our members all about potential buying opportunities, and stock analysis and some of our latest results. In fact, some of those stocks we are almost exiting. Some of the stocks that I'm talking about in this video, we're almost exiting. So just keep that in mind. That's why we have the community. Okay, let's start with RESOLUTE Mining, which the ASX code is RSG. Now, let's first put all the indicators of a BGS 20 strategy into this screen here. So if you haven't done our course, I really recommend you to take it time. It's only take 5 to 6 hours to do a course. Details are description below, but you will understand every single indicator and KPI that we are talking about these charts. But anyway, even if you're not doing it, I'll give you some hints here. So essentially what we set up is the moving averages, so we can have a reference from the period of time to know whether the stock is trading at buying levels or at the FOMO levels. Now, for BGS 20 strategy, we take in consideration where the candles, the share price is actually sitting in relation to the simple moving averages, 250 and 40 days period. In this case, I can tell you straight away by looking at the chart that for RESOLUTE Mining, the candles are trading well above the red line and the pink line, and therefore it's trading at the FOMO area. Our strategy avoids buying stocks at the FOMO area because if you buy stocks at the form area, you susceptible to a massive falls. And essentially, we want to avoid that sort of risk, and we always want to be buying stocks at the technically discounted price. For Resolute Mining, technically discounted price was when the stock was trading on 27th of February around 24 cents. So there was the time to buy. Okay. Now it's easy for me to tell that once the stock has already rallied. But if you keep watching this movie to the end, I will be analyzing the fourth stock of this video, which is not a gold stock, but will be a stock that is actually trading at technically discounted price to add value for you in this video. So in this situation, I wouldn't be touching anymore. Okay, so if you're holding the stock, I would be holding until we have the first signs of reversal. Okay, but I wouldn't be buying at the current levels. It's too risky, it's too high, and sooner or later we know by experience that those stocks, these candles will go back trading under the red and the pink line, and that's where we want to be buying Resolute Mining. So at the moment for me, Resolute Mining is a hold, and I would not be buying any of this stock right now. Despite it is still trading quite a bit under its 20 of August 2019, when gold was reaching $2,000 an ounce. Now, second one is Northern Star. ASX code is NST. Again, this is also a stock that for now is trading at formal area. You see how it is trading right above the red line here, our SMA 40 reference, and also how it is trading right above the pink line. We don't want to be buying stocks that are trading in the formal area, unfortunately, but we want to be keep holding if we bought there into the technically discounted price. And we did that with our VIP members back early in March. In fact, we today reaching 20% profit on that particular position, and it is here in our community, on Northern Star. So again, hold, but I wouldn't be buying more right now. Okay. And again, this is according to our strategy, it's not a financial advice. Okay, just gotta make sure. And our strategy always trade stock. We don't invest for long term. We only trade stocks. So even if it goes down after the $5 and we've done our trade of 20 to 40%, we're happy already. We don't care. So those analyses, they only worth in the short term. Okay, just to keep that in mind. Third one, Evolution Mining. This is another stock, another gold stock that we are holding. Currently 18% from our entry, again, in early March. Should we buy now? I wouldn't be touching because Evolution Mining also trading at formal area. Again, above either the pink and the red line, which is exactly where we want to be avoiding buying it. What I wanted to do is buy back, or if I wasn't holding, in this case I'm holding, in fact I'm holding today. What I wanted to do is keep holding the stock because we are already in it, but not buy until we see the candles trading under those two lines that I've just mentioned that to you before. Okay, so great bullish formation, but I would not be buying now. Now, the last stock is a retail stock. Okay, this is the one that one of our members as well has asked us to analyze, what is it? Because we did Centaur Limited as well, which, by the way, I posted a video a couple of days ago. Okay, so not many views on that video, unfortunately, but what can we do? People want to talk about lithium and all those things, so you gotta make sure you shift your mind as well from what once has been giving a lot of return to something that could potentially give you more return. So anyway, so we've done this TPW now. Let's go to TPW, which is Temple Webster. Look, this is a stock. Full disclosure, we are holding this stock now. We bought that a few weeks ago where it was trading right at the bottom here. So great. We already some good percentage above our entry price. But the reason I'm putting this stock, not just to answer Peter, but also to let you know, this is currently trading at technically discounted price. That type of chart formation that I like when I'm buying, okay? As you can see here, slowly gain momentum. We have what we call bullish intersection level 2 here, which is this green square, okay? And then we are about having a bullish intersection level 1. We are about have that. All we need is a little bit more momentum on this stock. So we have the yellow line crossing the red line, and therefore is another KPI that confirms that we want to be holding this stock for now. Why I'm interested in retail? First of all, because RBA has put in hold interest rates yesterday, which is exactly what we wanted to see stocks on retail and even some real estate stocks start moving upwards. Obviously, the ideal scenario is if RBA comes next month and sort of start cutting rates, which is not going to happen. We know that. But you just got to keep in mind, if by the end of the year, early next year, we start having a decline of interest rates, so that will boost back cash flow on the hands of most of individuals and companies, and people will start spending again. Bottom line here, we want to cut 20 to 40% on this position, even if we try it's low again. As long as we exit before, we are happy. We've done our job here. So Temple Webster is one of the stocks that it is in the buying area, and I like it. All right. So take a look at that. We have a full stock analysis for our VIP members. I'm going to be putting the link of this full stock analysis. So obviously, if you're not a VIP member, you won't be able to know the targets and stop losses and a few trading inputs, but you can have idea what's happening with the company. The detail of this stock analysis will be in our free Facebook community right here, guys. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video, and also put in the comments any stock that you want us to analyze. I'll be more than happy to take a look. Bye. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS20 strategy was to use only a set number of indicators to make it simple and clear to understand and to be able to apply our KPIs very easily and very effectively. So you don't have to be any Wall Street smart person to be able to apply those strategies. We really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.